How about some bunks? How about some crazy hard scar your motherfucking ass bunks?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, like, comment. All the above. What the hell am I doing in here?
Tell me, somebody!
I'm waiting for AARP. I got my AARP. Nah, I'm under my parents' joint. But yeah, damn, I left my damn blinkers on last night, man. I blame my homeboy Twins Pops for hitting me up and disturbing me while I'm trying to get off of work. But anyway, man, F all that. Man, I finally got these joints, boy. What I get? Boy, I got them Bred Force. You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to Trey.Poppit 20.
Nigga, you can't barely fucking read.
That's Trey.Poppit 20. Appreciate it. I was in DR when these joints dropped. I couldn't get them. Well, this is what happened. I went down to Harlem like a dummy just to check in because my homegirl said that this one spot in Harlem, they told her that she can come in with my my ID and all that stuff and it's all good. So I went down there thinking that if I checked in down there, it'd be all good. 170 told me I couldn't do it. I couldn't give her the ID. It wasn't going to work. I bet. So what do I end up winning at? 170. So she goes in there the night before and she was like, yo, she talks to the dude. He said, yeah, no problem. But the next day,
Big problem, my friend.
that was definitely a problem. You know what I'm saying? I said, damn. So I couldn't log on like in DR. I couldn't get on the joint, like Foot Locker, nothing. I couldn't do nothing. So I pretty much took an L for the moment. So when I came back, I was like, all right, I seen him for like 260. Not that bad, but damn. I knew with my military discount and shit, I wasn't gonna be paying that much. But yeah, so I just said, fuck it, man. I started just asking around. I just said, you know, I ain't too proud to beg. You know what I'm saying?
Wrap up the scraps and take them home.
I finally asked on my IG. Homie came through. A couple other cats, but you know what I'm saying? They tried to get that extra $10 in their pocket. You know what I'm saying? I get it, but
it ain't necessary.
no, sir. You know? But anyway, yeah, so I got them joints, man. I'm not doing no review.
Good.
But you best believe that I'm doing it on foot.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Best on foot on YouTube, may I add.
Oh, I doubt that.
Bam. Size 10 and a half. No, I just went size 10. Let's see. Got the receipt just to fake me out, just in case it did come from China, you know what I'm saying? Like, it don't matter, because, yeah. Hell yeah. Got my joints, man. Let's see these. Oh, yeah, this smells good. Skay. Skay. Got my joints, boy. I'm hyped, brother. I'm hyped. Hell yeah. Yes. That's what we've been waiting on, boy. Hell yeah. And I'm hyped because there's not a $150 across the midsole, so that's all good. Let y'all check them out right quick. Yo, everything about these, man, speak that Nintendo era for me. But most importantly, what links me to these sneaks, every time I think about the Jordan 4, I always think about a house party, but most of all, Eric B. and Rakim in the ghetto. When Rakim said a trip slip.
Cause my Nikes got grip. Stand on my own 2 feet and come equipped.
I've just always visioned these on his feet when he was talking about his Nikes got wet. You know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, back in the day, yeah, these were Jordans, but they were Nikes. You know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, got the Nike, you know what I'm saying, Nike Airs, whatever. That record right there is like very important. Like, that's a very important record to me. I'll take y'all back right quick. We're not gonna get into too much discussion. This is gonna be like a vlog, but right now, since I'm waiting on this vehicle, I might as well do my vid right now. Oh, I got another little pickup from Effectus Clothing. Use my discount code Wavy, say 25% with some tees to go with these joints. I remember it was my birthday and my mother told me I could get 2 rap tapes. I had already, my first rap tape ever was on Heavy D and the Boys. I'm gonna go in, I'll get into that like when I do my podcast is never gonna happen. Yeah, we'll talk about hip hop, but I still needed that MC Hammer joint. And I was looking for like MC something. I was new to hip hop back then. I really didn't know what to look for. Funny story, I remember one time my pops gave me some money for the slot, for the jukebox back in the day, and I was looking for somebody to play, and I was like, oh, I saw somebody said Cool in the Gang, so I thought Cool was gonna be rapping and the gang was gonna be probably like cussing in the background, you know what I'm saying? Whole time I ain't hear the song. For all I know, Joanna was playing, you know what I'm saying? Joanna. Oh. Yeah, so I saw the Eric B. and Rakim, Let the Rhythm Hit 'Em. They didn't really have like a rap name, but I was like, oh, that joint was kind of smooth though, you know what I'm saying? And they look like some no-nonsense guys. But yo, that record was like, that album was ahead of my time like a motherfucker though. Hell yeah, it was definitely ahead of my time. And then that joint, My Mahogany, it was like, you know how far a kiss can go. Fuck around and miss the show. So I was like, damn, that's a long ass kiss. You know, I'm young, you know what I'm saying? Duh. When I first like got to New York, I used to always, if it was nighttime getting off the train or whatever, I play that joint. Nobody smart. That joint was hard, boy, for real. Like the whole video was cold, gritty, dark. You even saw Michael Bivins. You seen the street side of him. You know, he at the court. I thought that was cool as fuck. You know what I'm saying? An R&B nigga out there. But no, you can't sleep on them R&B cats. Like just because they sing don't mean they was soft. You know what I'm saying? Like I heard stories about Keith Sweat. Word. But anyway, man. Let me wait. Oh man. Nah, we'll do the unboxing after this. Well, the unbagging after this. So, man, follow me, man. I'm still waiting on this word. Alright, so got my joint jumped, man. It was cool. I went back to the crib and made a little eats, you know what I'm saying? But dude hit me up. Yo, this shit happened like last year. Last year, hell yeah. I was on this block. Matter of fact, it was right before I went to DR too. I was on this block back over there, and I remember a boy came up to me, he was like,
What you doing on our turf, punk?
I was like, oh no, I'm chilling. He's like, you ain't no cop, right? I was like, nah. Yeah. He said, cause you know we selling weed out here. So I'm thinking like, yeah, tell me all that. You know? So he was like, but you know, I was like, look, my whip don't, you know what I'm saying? I'm just waiting on the jump. I should just chill at the crib. But he was like, well, you know you can pay the cab for, yeah, nigga, I can do this for free. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta cost me a little time. But let me eat this, and we about to go to Styles Peace Juice Bar.
Why just kept on a hush in front of a crowd. I get loud as a bone rush, but calm. Keep it low pro and play the background. Hoping the whack rapper put the mic back down. So rip it, break it in half. Go ahead and slam it, cause when it's time to build, I'm a mechanic.
This is real life, you niggas real as a cartoon. I ain't trying to knock you, but come and sit on the bar stool. You can chatter over a bark shop. Where I'm from, niggas get nervous when the north stop. Gotta ask your man if he hit when the spark stop. Go and get your money, my nigga, don't let the art stop. Your money, my nigga.
Alright, so we at the graffiti block, you know. And like I told you, I got some teas to go with these damn fours. Do the quick unboxing. I'm gonna go get some water, probably get my whip washed. And oh yeah, then the on feet. But yeah, after this, we're gonna go straight to on foot. You know what I'm saying? That's what y'all wanna see. That's what I'm gonna bring y'all. So anyway, man, without any ado further, shout out to Effects Clothing. Like I said, use my discount code WAVY, save 25% off your purchase. First tee we got. Time for some action joint. Right here. Next up. Matter of fact, I'll probably end up just showing these on my damn on the damn couch if I don't think they came out that good. But yeah, so next up, got that fire that can't be matched. And last up, yo, I thought they was really gonna come with it with these fours though, man, because they came with it with the sixes, but Bred for perfection. So that's my joints right here. So anyway, man, like I said, I'm about to get up out of here. Yo, give me 400 likes on this joint, man.
Telling me how to run my business?
I'm about to come with that on foot, I'm telling you, boy. But before I get off my favorite block, you already know, I gotta take a quick flick and do my on foot. But anyway, yo, you already know, brother. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's snuff. Hey yo, thank you again though, but it's your boy Wavy, you already know. It's my channel, Mr. What Your Beats, like I always like to say. See you when I see you.
Tell them I'm my baby ride. I'm my baby
ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride.
Paper ride.
Oh, this fucking paper ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper. Woo! Tell them. Woo! Woo! Tell them. Woo! Woo! Tell them. Woo! Like a. Yeah, yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper ride. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper ride. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. a breeze. Checks is coming in now. I fuck up a good thing. Promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood bring. Talking about away with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nights. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking? Why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it. I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice flow. This is how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you.
Back, 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 back.
Tell them bums leave me alone, 'cause I want my paper route. First they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, 'cause I want a paper route. Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gon' be on standby. Everybody landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. I'm early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire, what a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire, what a beautiful sight. Ooh, tell them bums leave me alone, 'cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, 'cause I'm on a paper route. Tell them bums leave me alone, 'cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, 'cause I want a paper route.